welcome to Channel Lego and Brick Build, and today I'll be showing you how to build a Lego Rubik stand, which also acts like a pendulum, as they also swing. Let's get started. So, to start, you will need a 16 by 16 base plate, and you have to make 2 of these pillars. Sorry about that. And to make 1 pillar, they're both identical, you just have to stack up 3 bricks tall with an 8 stud length here. So it would just look a bit like this. Please don't make a photo of mine. And then you need an 8 stud long Technic brick like this with 1 set of plates on top here. You add another set of plates on the bottom here and a 1x2 Technic brick here in the middle with 2 1x3s just on the end. You snap that on and add just 1 final layer of bricks for stir-frying and add 2 Technic pins. It doesn't really matter what kind or colour. And you then want to repeat it, and soon you will have 2 of these. If there are 2 of these in there. So now after you have 2 of these, just stick on your base plate. And I would recommend just having a 4 stud gap here and here both sides. And now you've done the main support frame. Just make sure the Technic pins are facing out, not like how I did it. Now for the actual stand, you have to make this complicated thing. So first you want to get a 15 stud long Technic beam here with a 11 stud long Technic beam here, like this, as your frame. And then you will need 2 16 stud long axles going across the top and about the middle here, and on my green one. You will also want a 13 stud long Technic beam going down with another set of 16 stud axle longs. 16 stud long axle here with 2 stoppers at the end. Then for the actual bit that will hold your cube, now this is my cube and yours might be a different dimension, so watch out for that. But for mine, I have had to use 2 of these 1x13 long Technic beams connected with 2 of these 12 stud long axles, which are a real Lego piece by the way, and a bunch of Lego brush pieces over here just for more stir frying. So now you can put your cube in, but first you just do this, and hopefully you will be able to connect these. And the 2 plates were important because otherwise these are not connect. Do that. Just make some last minute stuff for it. And now you finished your cube stand and it will hold it just like this. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share. Bye!